Okay, so we are going to do a series of videos that basically will show you start to finish how to do something with business intelligence reporting tools. In this case, since I'm using the term business intelligence reporting tool, we're going to start with BIRT. That is an open source and a commercially available product. This video is going to be about how to go about getting BIRT, and we're going to start with some web pages where you'll find BIRT downloads. The first location that I'm going to talk about is the eclipse.org location. This is where BIRT got its start some number of years ago. While I was working at Actuate, there was an effort in place to create an open source product that was very much like Actuate's eReport Designer. However, it was 100% Java, and it was all done initially through open source development efforts. So Actuate sponsored this. So here we go. So the first site is eclipse.org/BIRT. You see that right here. And this is the place where you would go to get your download. Simply Eclipse, and it's one of the modules that the Eclipse Foundation is working with. So gives you a little history over here, getting started. You can go to downloads page. The downloads page are going to be where you're going to get various elements of the designer. Here we have an all-in-one. That's the default download. That's the entire framework for BIRT. We also have a framework bit by bit here. So we have an Eclipse version, a I think it's called Data Tool Project, and Web Tools project, and things like that. There's also a RCP, which is I think it's called Rich Client project. And then you have some prerequisites if you download this stuff bit by bit. So I'm going to go back to the top. We're going to go to the download now of the all-in-one. That's everything. It's got every piece of the project you need, keeping in mind that you are going to have to download Java 1.7 JDK. You can go to oracle.com to get that. I'll show you that in a second. Here is the download page, and basically it talks about the various things that are in BIRT, and it gives you a download button. There's also various download links for various operating systems, and then there's also some other association with various other BIRT Eclipse projects. So you got the Web Tools project I mentioned earlier, plus Data Tools, I think it's called, and some other ones. I've already downloaded a commercial version of this, so we won't go through the downloads, but it kind of gives you an idea of how many times and how popular BIRT is for download. You have Bugzilla for reporting bugs and that kind of thing. Okay, so moving on, we'll go over to the place where I downloaded my project, or my BIRT application, and that is directly from Actuate. So developer.actuate.com is an Actuate website that is now open text, and what we have here is we have first thing on the page, BIRT, and then download. Same thing as the open source Eclipse thing. You've got various links here, including an about section. Go to the download page. It's going to take you to a place where you can have your BIRT download. So we have an open text analytics designer. So this is the all-in-one tool where you're going to download your BIRT product. They do want you to fill out a form to, I guess, put you on a mailing list and give you a call and see how things are going. They also have a link to free download, so you can get the free version of this as well. So on the free product download, it's pretty much the same as a commercial product. All these products are fully integrated with the Eclipse IDE. They also have various operating systems that they're available to run on. And that's about it for the downloads. As I said, you're going to have to fill out this form in order to get that downloaded, and you're going to have Java 1.7 JDK. I'll show you where to get that. And here we go. It's oracle.com, And what we have here is you can go down to downloads, and on popular downloads, you got Java for developers, Java SE. This is what I would download, just simply just to grab that. You already have a Java IDE when you download BIRT. This is Java 8, so you're good to go with this download. Um, I would just click this guy and download Java before you try to install BIRT, especially open source BIRT. So that's it for the downloads. We'll move on to the next video. Be right back, and go ahead and do your downloads and get familiar with these products. Take your time, and we will come back soon.